Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to introduce you a new stock item in our used stock here at Grantham, in that of a Coachman Laser 675 2019 model. A fantastically well-spec'd twin axle caravan with a transverse island bed and rear bathroom. Here is a great look at that particular caravan. So Coachman going with the two side locker boxes, two 6kg gas bottles on the right. In the left side of things, you can put your step, your electric hookup cable, your steady winder and various other items, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. The laser range benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You have an exterior barbecue point and also exterior 240 volt socket. And then the greatest thing in the laser range is this wonderful silver side and the logo going all the way down the side of the caravan. Rear access hatch to underneath the transverse island bed, giving you a far better flexibility for storage. Also on this caravan, you see down the bottom there, benefiting from a Power Touch Evolution manual engage all-wheel drive motor mover. Absolutely nothing but should you go for on a twin axle caravan, giving you that flexibility to move it around and making things such as hitching up and moving into storage and onto sites far simpler. So as you step inside the caravan, you've got a very generous kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You've got a high quality of finish with the glass lid and the kitchen handle. On the oven, benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill and pan storage located underneath. You have an easy usable height microwave positioned just next to the Omnivent in the kitchen area, and then this gloss finish and laser logo in the centre, moving into a two-tone cupboard wood effect going forwards as well. Great thing as well, as you see there, is the soft close locker doors. You've got a nice generous panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light. Previous customers have looked after this fantastically well, so it's in great condition. You've got the fabric scheme that you see along here, high quality of finish, PIR sensor located down there for the alarm, short pull-out table there with drawers and plenty of storage, light switches and 240 volt sockets located throughout. Also here you have touch dimmable spotlights, so LED spotlights, and your Pioneer radio located at the front with some further storage holes dotted around. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating in this particular caravan, the main command centre located above the habitation door. You've got some further storage as you step in, and your first position for a television located on the side there, with storage both above and also below. Generous sized fridge freezer. And one of the key things in 2019 that you see from here is these fridge freezers were actually designed to open on both sides, so giving you a better flexibility. Storage located above as we move forward to the bedroom area. So you have a generous sized wardrobe with drawer and cupboard underneath. Across this railing at the top, you have your pull across concertina blind to give some privacy into the bedroom should you need it. The bed currently in the day position with that knuckle dropping back to put in the night position, but generous amount of space and easy to be able to move around the end of the bed. Your second television point located here in the bedroom area, should that be a need or a consideration for you. You also have a vanity mirror and additional cupboard with storage located underneath. Matching headboards to the overall fabric scheme with magazine cubby holes located there and further storage next to the other side of the bed. High quality of finish on the bathroom door with those chrome strips. As we step forward to the Dometic toilet with the Alder wet central heated towel rail, a generous sized vanity mirror in the bathroom with a couple of cupboards there, and a very large individual square shower cubicle located to the rear of the caravan. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Coachman Laser 675 2019 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we really hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.